What's up, guys? I'm Jeremy from WeldTec Designs. Welcome back to the channel. And I know you guys have already done this, but I'm going to say this right off the bat is smash that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, ring the bell, and get notifications so you can see when we build awesome bumpers like this for your van. What do you think? I mean, who wouldn't want this on their van? And what's even cooler about this van is it has 6 wheels. If you guys want to see more on, no, it has even more than 6 wheels. 2, 4, 6, it has a 10-wheel van. I don't even know how to count this morning. But dude, how about that? Could you guys use some double dually wheels on your van? What do you guys think? Well, this isn't what I have to show you, but I think it's really cool. And if you guys want us to make a video and do a whole walk around on this awesome armored vehicle that we're building, we'll do that. Comment below. Let me know if you guys want to see more of it. But as we back up to this awesome Nardo Gray Chevy Express van, this thing is awesome and it has some really cool features inside it. So make sure you guys stay all the way to the end because this is a brand new van. I'll also put the link down below because what's cool about this van is this was bought new from the dealer. This has the Quigley 4x4 conversion on it. And then here at WeldTec, we outfitted it with the front bumper, the rear bumper, and the rock sliders. And the dealership packaged it all in one big bundle so that the customer could finance it all together. So Springfield, GMC, Buick, and I don't know where. I'm going to put the link below. But maybe you guys can get in contact with them if you're looking to build a van and want to be able to finance it all. You get more details from them.
Hi guys, it's Caden Johnson, 91 from Growing Up Garage, and today we got our brand new merch. So my dad's going to tell you about the special that's going on.
Heck yeah, guys. So we want to promote Growing Up Garage, and we got shirts for the little kids. We got jackets or hoodies for the kids. We got awesome pink hats that Caden is rocking. And what we're going to do, guys, is anybody in the month of May who goes on our website and buys any Growing Up Garage item, for each item that you buy, you're going to be entered into a drawing. And at the end of May, we're going to give you $300 in credit towards any of the WeldTec Designs products. Now, here's the little trick in it. You can't combine this with our stimulus savings. So we're kind of doing 2 different things right there. But guys, check out Growing Up Garage, support what we have going on here and about kids learning. So if you guys like hanging out in the garage with your mom, your dad, your grandpa, whoever it may be, tell them you want a Growing Up Garage shirt, right?
Yeah.
Yeah? What do you think, Kendall? Yeah?
So always support Growing Up Garage.
All right, guys, so that's the deal. We'll see you guys later. But from us, let's talk about the main things that this has. Is it has a little bit smaller bumper compared to the armored vehicle. And this is going to be our stealth winch bumper right there. You guys know this bumper, you love it. We've done tabs on there so you can run your HTX lights, which is going to be really cool. And then it also has the space down below in there so that you can add your winch. And if you look at this bumper, we're going to make Austin get a side profile of this. You can see just how far this bumper sticks out, which is not very far at all, which is really nice about this bumper, keeping everything low profile and small while still being able to carry a winch. It's going to give you your skid plate, which is going to be really nice. And then if you want another new thing that we have now for the Quigleys or for the WeldTec Designs or for the advanced 4x4 is now we also have Under Armour for your Chevy van. So you can do a differential skid plate, your front diff skid plate, or you can do a whole transmission skid plate, which is going to extend all the way back to your tranny cross member or where your torsion housing adjusters would be. So a lot of really cool products. I will make sure we put links to all these cool products down below what I'm talking about so that you can see them. So if you want to add a winch bumper, or maybe you already have a 4-wheel drive and you just want some armor so you don't mess up your front diff. So this thing's really cool. And as you peek your head under there, you'll see that awesome Quigley 4x4 conversion that they've done on this. This is just a torsion bar as I cruise around this on my knees and poke my head in there. So like we said, this thing is brand new. I don't know, we'll have to go see how many miles on it. It may not have like any And as you poke your head in here, we come to see the miles. Oh, it already has 703, so check out that seat. This is a seat you don't normally see in a lot of these. And it's almost as if, wait, we're not talking about the interior yet. You're gonna have to come back. We'll show you all the gadgets in the inside. So you'll see this awesome Nardo gray. This is a 135-inch wheelbase van, really cool. They've also done like Nardo gray. I don't know about this. I might just want the black windows. It's almost as if they're going for like the cargo van look, because this will, you know, definitely deadens it, the sun, and kind of blends it all in together. I'm not really sure what's going on there, to be honest. But what I am sure about is this awesome set of rock sliders that we've done on this. So 135 inch, this is our 2-inch tubing rock slider. What's great about these rock sliders is you can add a step to it at this angle. You can also run these straight out. So if you want them to run straight out, you can, or you want them kicked down at this 35-degree angle, that is possible. And you can do these at home while you're bored. We'll send you all the parts, do-it-yourself kit. You can just buy the brackets from us and build your own tubes however you want. So pretty cool. And as we cruise around to the back of this, you will see it's a little dirty. It's been sitting here for a little while. So we're gonna have our tube rear bumper with the dual swing carries, or dual swings, yeah, dual swing. They're carriers, they both carry something. So on one side, we're gonna have our tire carrier. We can carry our full-size spare on this. I personally have a 35-inch tire on mine, which fits perfectly. And then on the other side, you have your tray. So when you order your rear bumper, you get this tray mount, so you can either run a box on the back of this, or you can run 2 gas cans, a generator, whatever you may want. And I know some of you guys haven't taken advantage of this yet. I want to see people out there representing, you know, get a cool WeldTec hoodie, t-shirt. How about a growing up garage hat? Support Caden and his craziness, and get that growing up garage hat. Give it to the kid that you love, that loves hanging out with you or their dad or their mom or their grandpa, or heck, maybe they just like going out in the garage by themselves and building crazy stuff. So awesome mission that we're doing over there on Growing Up Garage. Check that out. So you guys want to see the inside of this? Do you? Do you? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Hey guys, have I ever showed you how to open the door completely? Maybe you have a Chevy van, you haven't been watching all of our videos, and you still are frustrated that your door only opens this far. Well, I'll let Austin jump inside the van. I'm going to show you guys again how to open your door all the way if you did not know already. Throwing down the knowledge for all of you new people watching, or maybe you just skipped over it on the last video. We're going to go with that. So we'll let Austin get in. I'm going to show you this again, guys. All right, guys, so this little lever right here, you can see when you open it, this is what's holding up your door, which definitely sucks because it would be nice to open up your door a little bit more. So what you're going to do is you're going to shut your door almost all the way. You're going to take this thing, that little knob, and you can feel it. Now it's moving in there, and that's what you want. And now once it's moved, you're applying pressure to it, holding it open. And now look at that. Look how far the door opens. And you can do that on both sides. So as I come over here, again, this is locked. I'm going to close it. You'll hear it just barely. I hope we didn't get it. Here, let's try that again. There we go. So now your door, look at that. Whoa. All kinds of room to get in and out. And you'll notice as we're playing with these doors, it almost looks as if this has like an Explorer or part of an Explorer package on this. You're going to see the little bit more of like a Gucci style door. It has the cup holder in the door, if I can just release it, and I don't want, oh, there we go. So it's got a cup holder in the door, and it's also got the little compartments in here, which is really nice. And as you turn around, you're going to also see that it's got the sweet seats. These seats are on. Maybe you just got to be in it. Let's see. There we go. See, now this is perfect. So if I want to sit in here and fish, I just pull up next to the lake. I can sit here and just fish. Or I just want to hang out and watch my kids as they run amok. Pretty cool with this swivel base in here. I'm gonna have to find out more who did all of this. It wasn't us, it wasn't me. Didn't do it, came here. These guys are awesome. So, or maybe we just want to turn around. We're gonna party with the 3 people in the back. What do you guys think? Hey guys, you want to party? You'll also see back here they've done more cup holders, which is cool. They got cup holders. We have more ports for battery plug-in. We have our super compartment in here. Oh look, it's even got all the connections for our fuse block TV. Ooh, power seats, look at that. Whoa, ooh, that's pretty Gucci. Ah, man, this is pretty sweet. I'm digging this. Something a little bit different. I don't usually see that. The only thing I don't like is whoever's on that side has all the controls. So I'd be like, excuse me, can you bring my seat back up? Or so it looks like all of these seats are gonna go up and down, and probably if we scooted this far enough so we can slide the whole row forward. Let's check this out. And we go all of these down. We're gonna see if this will make a bed. See, I'm in here learning for the first time too. Oh, see, that's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to find out. I think this is all part of an Explorer conversion because it has all the super sick lights. I don't know if this is not quite enough room to really take a nap and sleep, but it's still pretty rad. I like it. You could definitely configure this seat, probably slide it forward, you know, maybe even have something in the middle here, but some really cool things on the inside of this van that I'm definitely digging, that we don't normally see in a brand new van unless it is completely outfitted by Explorer Van Company, which does a lot of things like this, or where they are raising the whole roof in there, putting the big TV in there, which is really cool too. So a lot of really cool things in this van. Enough jibber jabbering from me. I think I've showed you everything. And if you want to see more on stuff like this, please comment below. Tell me what you liked. Tell me what you didn't like. We're always trying to make these videos better. Hope you found something cool in this video. Smash that subscribe button, ring that bell, and I got nothing else for you. I'll see you guys on the next video.